how to get drivers. So I'm about to show you what I do to get drivers. What paperwork is needed once you get the driver. Then I'm gonna show you how to stay organized. So when you want to get a driver, you come to Indeed and you go over here to employers post a job. As you can see right now, I done placed a lot of ads. I did this on a Thursday so I can make this video for y'all. I only got 3 applicants so far, but as you can see, I post in multiple cities. So to post a job, you come right up here. You start from scratch. My industry is always transportation and logistics. I'm gonna say owner operators. Slash fleet owner. Heavy and tractor trailer truck drivers. Down here, you want to put on the road in one city. Save and continue. Is this job full or part-time? I always put full-time. Or either full or part-time. What type of drivers are you looking for? Owner operators. Pay range. I like to do per week. $5. You can leave this blank. Nope, we don't do benefits. It's an ongoing need to fill this role. 1 to 2 weeks. Save and continue. Home time, you can put weekly, weekends, Monday through Fridays, whatever you want. I only do flatbeds, dry vans, and reefer. I skip all this. I put my company website in here. Save and continue. Now, for this part, when making your ad, you can either look what other people are posting and come up with your own idea, or you can just copy what they got, put your information in there. But let me go. I'm going to use this ad. Copy. Post that in there. Then I'm going to hit save and continue. I want them to email me. No, they do not need a resume. Employee assist, I'm going to turn it off. One-year commercial driving, that's a deal breaker. You need at least 1 year. Driving experience, at least 1 year. Save and continue. I'm not going to even check this. Okay. Look at your ad. Make sure everything is good. Then you hit confirm. You want to post without a budget, so you do not have to pay anything. It will be absolutely free. Skip this. And the best time to do this is on Sundays. I usually do all mine on Sunday night. So Monday morning when drivers are looking for stuff, they can see it. So like I said, do this on a Sunday and you'll get a lot of responses. Click not interested. Maybe later. Okay, now it's processed. Usually in about 20 minutes, they'll come back to you and tell you that it's open, it's viewable, drivers can see it. But this is the trick right here. You come over here and you hit hire in additional locations. So let's click any city that you want. Houston, Texas. Dallas, Texas. Florida, and so on. And then you come over here and you hit next and you make it free. And you just keep doing this for as many cities as you possibly can. Put in about 7 cities at a time, then put another 7 cities in. Because it's all about the numbers in this game. The more cities, the more places you post, the better chance you got at getting the drive. And you just click next. And you hit post without a budget. And you can see there's those 4 ads right there. All right, next place I go to get drivers is Truckers Pay. So let me just show you how to get there. Once you get here, you're going to sign up for a free account. And then you're going to go to Truckloads with Brokers. You're going to sign up for free. Click sign in. And you're going to do a truck search. I like to do satisfactory and conditional, flatbed, van, reaper. Now, most people going to tell you to cold call. Like you click on this. And what I like to do, mostly check their DOT or MC through Safer Web. So you would just copy and paste this. But it's telling you it's pretty good, but I still like to check. But now, see, he got 348 units. I'm not going to mess with him. I'm looking for people that got between 1 to 5. But just to say he had 1 to 5, I'm not going to cold call. Because when you cold call somebody, you taking a chance. You don't know if they sleeping. These drivers get aggravated. They'll cuss you out. I mean, it's just all kind of crazy stuff they say to you. But I got a way that's a whole lot better that a friend turned me on of how to get these drivers. Because you know if somebody call you and you don't recognize the number, what you gonna do? You ain't gonna even answer half the time. So just text them. That's what I do. And I get a lot of responses. That's text their number. And this is exactly what I say verbatim. I'd be like, hey, this is Thomas from TDM. Hold on. Hey, this is Thomas from TDM Logistics. I do dedicated and customized movements for owner-operators, and I specialize in getting high paying freight. Save my info and reach out to me so I can see what I can do for you. That's it. Short, sweet, simple. No more. And I promise you, I probably send out about 200 texts a day, and I usually get anywhere from 5 to 10 people responding to me. And then you come over here, after you do the trucker's path, you come over here to this website, the FMCSA, licenses and insurance. You come over here and you go to FMCSA register. Click go. It's gonna have the dates. Just click on one, and you want to scroll all the way down. Till you get to right here. Till you start saying this. Interstate common carrier except household goods. And when you get there, it's just the same process. Just text them. That's it. Get their number. Text them. Only thing about this one, you don't know if they got a box truck, a hot shot. You don't know what they drive. But I don't care. I just send out mass texts. And if you got a dry van, hot shot, flatbed, or a reefer, I sign you up. I don't deal with box trucks. So this is the easiest way and the quickest way to get drivers. I know some people going to tell you, oh, you need to cold call. Man, I don't cold call nobody. And the 7 drivers that I'm working with now, I don't think I cold call anybody. I either got them by texting or Indeed ad.